Hi, I'm Dan Venier, Service Manager at Brampton Chrysler. Today, I want to let you know about some of our April service specials. Brampton Chrysler knows our customer. We personalize our work around your schedule and needs. By providing you with quality service, you can know that your vehicle is getting the best possible care. We understand how important your time and your specifications are. To help make servicing your vehicle easy, we provide a variety of ways to help you from curbside pickups to valet services. We talk you through what your vehicle needs and help you create a maintenance plan. Most importantly, we know that money is just as important as time. For April, we are offering several service coupons. First, we are offering 5% off parts and labor for battery replacements. This is a good time to get a new battery for your vehicle. Batteries keep the vehicle starting. Without it, you can't go anywhere. We are also offering 5% off parts and labor for brake replacements. At the end of winter is a good time to get your brakes checked. To clean out your vehicle's HVAC system, we're offering 10% off of our purification service. This removes dust and debris from the air HVAC system and makes for a cleaner drive. Lastly, if you purchase all three options, we will give you free windshield wiper blades. Now is a good time to come in and inspect your vehicle. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. And please give us a call if you need a service appointment. Thank you.